Here are some lessons on how to use articles and determiners like one, a little, a few, this, and that. 1. Articles a and the, a and an. Use a before words that begin with a consonant sound and an before words that begin with a vowel sound. Example, a car, an apple. The, used to refer to specific or particular nouns. Example, the cat, the book. 2. Use one to refer to a single specific thing or person, especially when emphasizing singularity. Example, I have one pen. 3. A little, a few. A little, used with uncountable nouns to denote a small amount or quantity. Example, she needs a little sugar for the recipe. A few, used with countable nouns to denote a small number. Example, he has a few friends coming over. 4. This, that, used to refer to something close in space or time or something just mentioned. Example, this book is interesting. That, used to refer to something further away in space or time or something previously mentioned. Example, that book over there. Here are some additional tips. Articles a, an, the are important in English as they help to specify which noun you are referring to. One is used when you want to emphasize singularity or when you're referring to a particular item out of many. A little and a few are used to express small quantities, with a little used with uncountable nouns and a few used with countable nouns. This and that help to distinguish between items in terms of proximity, with this referring to something close and that referring to something further away.